What? This one would be an SMA? No. I mean, the SMAs are so easy. Like the SMA on the last test, okay, was algebra 0. You need to know that before you do calculus, because what we do is we do some mean stuff to that thing in calculus. Okay, moving on to 9.7 now, okay? And it's all about graphing. Okay? So I'm going to fill this table out. You guys do it with your calculator, okay? And I'm going to pause. Okay? So again, like I'm saying that I'm doing, my circles are going to be half a unit apart. So when I'm at 0 degrees, I'm here. Okay, 0 degrees, 0 radius. When I'm at 30 degrees, so this is 30 degrees. Okay? I'm at unit 1, so that's 1530. I'm out here. Okay? And then I'm at 60 degrees. I'm at 1.7. So that's 60. So that's 1.5. 1.7 is out here. Okay? When it's pi over 2, this is looking kind of funky to me.
Because I think we dropped the 30 degrees like that.
Isn't sine 30 a half?
No, I'm saying...
Did I plot it incorrectly? It's supposed to be where?
Right. That is not 0.5. 0.5.
Oh, it should be 1, right? Oh, okay, my bad. I thought it was 2. Okay. And so where am I at now? 120. 120 is 1.7, so it's out there. 150 is 2. 150 is 1. So 2 circles right there. And then when it's pi, it's 0. Okay. So you can see that essentially these points are not really worth anything because your graph just comes around like this. Like that. Yes? Oh. Okay, so everybody getting that? Fine. So are we all right there? Does anybody need help in graphing this?
Well, the center is...
Well, remember which kinds of equations we recognize immediately and we know what the circle is. Remember there are 2 kinds of equations, polar and Cartesian. Out of the 2, which ones do you know like the back of your hand? How do you go from here to Cartesian, which is what your homework was yesterday? So now let's see, awesome. Have you developed any feelings for math? Oops, my bad. The other way. X is cosine and y is sine. Okay. That's one way of, let's do that. But again, notice that sine and r are a couple. They always hang out together. Well, here, so what should we do? If I want to make this sine theta couple with r, what do you think I should do? Exactly. Now you got some feelings. Now you have some feelings. Multiply both sides by r, and you get this. Right? What's r squared equal to? What's r sine theta equal to? So this becomes 2y. Yes? Now where do I go from here? Complete the square. Yeah, you bring the 2y over. Complete the square. Don't you have a circle now whose center is 1? Okay, so you can see how these things are connected. Okay, these things are connected. So you can recognize the Cartesian much more readily than you can recognize polar. So everybody okay on this? Okay. Well, guess what? You don't really have to sweat this out by hand because your graphing calculator will do everything for you. Okay, so even on the test next week, you'll be allowed to use a graphing calculator and everything's going to be off the graphing calculator. Okay. All right, let's go work on this one here. So get your graphing calculator out.
Wait, our test is on April Fool's Day.
No, it's not.
Yes,
The
it
quiz
is.
is April
The
Fool's
quiz.
Day. Yeah.
But still.
Well, no, it was supposed to be today. I'm giving you extra time to catch up because I think you guys were struggling yesterday. Okay, what you want to do now is, remember I've told you, we've done func, we've done PAR, and today we do POL, polar.
Can you just back? I was using that for
Yeah, go into mode and just follow my instructions now, okay? So, go to polar, POL, put it in polar mode. And now if you go into y equals, look, the equation looks very different now. It's just slash R1. Instead of y1, it's R1, okay? So you're going to put in 2 sine theta, and make sure your calculator is in radian mode, okay? It is. And you just graph that. Okay, it's looking kind of funky, so I'm going to change my zoom to be square, so it looks more like a circle. And going to change this a little bit more. I'm going to change my just to expand the circle. It should really look more like a circle, okay? For whatever reason, it's not looking like a circle, because if I square it, yeah, when you set zoom square, then it has the x and y the same units, so then it starts looking like a circle. But anyway, the idea here is to teach you how to use the polar mode of the 84. Is everybody okay on that? Does anybody want me to come around and take a look there? Audrey? You okay? You got a half circle? No, it's the bed. You take the axis off. Because of the fracture. Can you